Hi everybody, welcome to Synchronicity Yoga. My name is Kevin. Find a place to roll out your mat and let's get started. Here's a short little sequence that you can do if you work in food and beverage or any type of service industry. Practice this at home once and then you can take this on the job with you and take a little break here and there. It only takes about 3 to 4 minutes and hope you enjoy. So to start, take the feet hips distance, lift the toes, spread them, place them back down. Stand up tall, engage the quads to lift the kneecaps, draw the shoulders back, palms face forward. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, bring the hands back down to the sides. Let's take 2 more here. Inhale, hands circle sweep. Exhale, back down. 1 more. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hinge at the hips, fold forward. Slightly draw the toes in towards the midline, heels slightly out. Inhale, take a half lift, extend hands. Extend the crown of the head, hands to the shins. Exhale, begin to round down through the back. Bend the knees enough so the chest can rest on the thighs. Grab either elbow. Give it a little sway, a little bounce, side to side. Allow the head and neck to release. Releasing hands to the mat. Inhale again, flat back. Extend the crown of the head, draw the shoulders back. Exhale, fold, bend the knees deeply, grab either elbow, little rock, side to side. Keeping the knees bent, release the hands. On an inhale, roll up 1 vertebrae at a time, head comes up last. Lift the shoulders, draw them back. Head comes to resting on the body. Just take the hands out and roll out the wrists, going one way and then the other. Inhale, hands circle sweep back overhead. Exhale, eagle arms, wrap right hand underneath left. Now, if this is a little difficult, it is here for me. You can either stay here, working to bring the right hand around the back, interlacing with the left, or just bring the elbows together, palms to touch. This is an option, or you can grab the shoulder blades, keep the hands or the elbows stacked, hands reaching, trying to touch down on the back. Inhale, lift the elbows, look up. Exhale, fold back down at the hips. A little bounce, a little rock, side to side. Releasing head and neck. Continuing to deepen the breath. Releasing the hands, bend the knees deeply, roll all the way up. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, left under right if you're taking the eagle wrap, or cross again at the shoulders. Grabbing shoulder blades, lift the elbows, gaze up. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Little rock, little bounce. Releasing hands, bend the knees deeply. Inhale, roll up. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead, gaze up, look up. Exhale, hands down by your sides. Now take the palms face forward, shoulders draw back, let the eyes close. Think about breathing deeply into the belly. As the belly expands, you inhale, or inhale to expand the belly. Exhale, belly draws back in. Take 2 more here. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, belly button, navel draws in. Last one, inhale, expand. Exhale, release. Now moving the breath laterally out to the sides. Think about inhaling to expand the ribs out, expand out laterally. So inhale. Exhale, everything hugs back in towards the midline. Inhale to expand. Exhale, hug it back in. Inhale, last time, expand laterally. Exhale, bring it back in. Drawing hands to heart center. Bow head to hands. And have a great rest of your shift. Namaste.